Good morning everybody, this is Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today a very simple beef mince fry. I'm going to add green peas in it to give it some color, and it's a little spicy. Goes well with chapatis or as a side dish with dal and rice. Very easy to make, and a very quick dish as well because it's mince. So keep watching and I'll take you through the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. So first of all, you need 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped onions and 2 green chillies that I have slit, 2 tomatoes chopped and some chopped coriander, half a kilo of beef mince, but if you don't like to use beef mince, you could use lamb mince, and then 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 small pieces of cinnamon. So now we'll start cooking by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and we'll add the chopped onions and green chilies. So you'd need to fry this for some time till the onions turn light brown. So keep frying till the onions turn light brown. Now what we'll do is we'll add in a ginger garlic paste. Once the onions turn light brown, you must add in your ginger garlic paste. And you must fry this for some time so that the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. So we'll fry this, and then we'll add in all our powders. That's the chili powder, turmeric, cumin powder and the cinnamon, and we'll fry well. So this we fry so that even this gets a little roasted. Now what we'll do is we'll add in our tomatoes. So the chopped tomatoes need to soften. So we have to fry this till the tomatoes soften. So once the tomatoes soften, we'll add in our mince. So now we add the mince and mix well. Keep mixing and separating the mince as it's cooking. Mix well. Okay. Now you'll see that the mince starts to leave out some water. So just keep on frying and mixing. Now add salt to taste. Add salt to taste and again mix well. So now what we could do is we could add in our chopped coriander and again mix well. The coriander gives it a lovely fresh flavor when we mix it in while cooking the mince. I don't know if many of you know about pastol mince that used to be cooked in the olden days. This is pastol mince. Now cover the pan with a lid and cook for a while. You could open after some time and mix, and you can see that it's giving out some water. Then again you cover and keep cooking till the mince is almost dry. So now what we can do is, when it's almost dry, we'll add in our green peas. I've used half a cup of frozen peas, but you could use a fresh green peas also, and mix it in. Again, cover so that you cook the green peas well. Cover and cook for a few more minutes. You'll find that the peas cook very fast because the steam in the pan is quite high. And now you can switch off the heat once the mince is done. This goes very well with chapatis or as a side dish. Now our mince is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did bringing it to you. Please like and share it, and as always, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you very much.